Okay, so this is how wraps a, a bobbin wheel. So most of the bobbin wheels will have like holes around. There's like this one, or there's this one, which is like a plastic one. You can kind of see the holes there. Now, they say you're supposed to thread through the hole in the bobbin from the inside to the outside, but I just like hold it down and then just start winding. I don't see how threading it through the hole really makes it any easier. So that's pretty much what you're doing, is just winding it like that. You're gonna have like a lot of thread on there, so it really doesn't matter if the first few bits are messy, because it's just gonna keep winding and winding and winding. Now, some machines have a automatic bobbin threader, like mine does. So it's just this little, focusing on the Nutella instead of this. Come on. Okay, so on that, so that just goes on there, and then it wraps around this little thingy like that, and then whoops, the spool goes on one of these. These are like, you can push them down, pull them up like that. And let me just tighten this. Okay, and then to start it, you just pull this out. I actually had to grab out my manual because I had forgotten some of this. And then you just move that there, and theoretically, it should do its thing. Oh, did I have it backwards? Nope, it's good. Okay. Funny. Okay, so that looks pretty full. Okay, so now that that's done, get that out of there. Take the little thingy out and just put this here, so that's what I'm doing. So that goes in here, and then this, okay, this is what I was, see this little slit thingy here? That just goes in like that, and then it goes through like that, so, and then that's like that, okay, and then, in there. Okay, and then, so my sewing machine is good because it actually has like numbers, so, and arrows, like it'll be an arrow there and then there, so there's like 1, and then 2 goes up, and then 3, and then 4, and then goes around here. Okay, so then, focusing again, focus. I need a new camera. Okay. So all I'm doing here is just spinning the wheel, as you know, like towards me. Okay, so see how it went like that? I don't know if you can This is annoying. And then just with something. Sometimes it doesn't catch the first time, which it didn't. So, try again. I think sometimes it's easier to hold it up, like the thread, but okay. Try it again. Is it gonna catch this time? Maybe. Oh, yep. It did. See that little loop? That's from this string, which I'll show you. And then you just, with something small, pull it through. And then there you go. You've got both your threads. Your bobbin thread and your thing. So, so how that is you just take that out. So see how, oops, so I'll show you how to do this. Whoops. Okay, so your thread, your bobbin, your threaded bobbin, right? And then this little slit thingy here. Whoops. That little slit. And then through this little doohickey. This hole. Switch hands so you can see. Okay, so just like that. Okay, the thread that's hanging out, just ignore it. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so you put it in like that, and then this, just like leave it. Just, it doesn't matter, because that's what is going to be hooked up by the needle thread. Okay, so I like to have this door open just so that I can see everything. And then that takes that thread, and then we can pull it up with that little thingy. Keep losing it. And there we go again. So like that. And then that doohickey that I was telling you about, this thing is the greatest thing ever, because you can undo stitches. Like when you make mistakes, you can just like, it's very sharp in here. So anyways, hopefully that helped. I know our machines are different, but anyways,